So what have we got for you today on the channel? Yes, we've got a Branston pickle sausage roll. And for your recipe, you want 170 grams of sausage meat and 2 spoonfuls of pickle. This is the very fine stuff because the lumpy stuff will be lumpy. You get the drift on that. So all we're going to do is blend this all together. And that's your filling. So I'm going to just pop that into a piping bag. And with your sausage rolls, you need some pastry. These are 5-inch squares and they're around about 3 millimeters thick. Just lay them out on the deck and we'll put some egg wash along the edges. And once again, if you've seen my previous videos, we'll just pipe this out. And then we'll just fold them over. Try and make sure the filling stays inside the pastry. And for a change, we'll chop the edges. And this one we'll just do 3 in the middle, like that. Make sure they go through the pastry, because it's basically like a little vent to let the steam out. So we'll put those straight onto a baking tray. There's your baking tray. This is baking parchment. Once again, we'll wash the tops over with egg wash. Now we'll just let these rest for around about 25 minutes. Now you want to get your oven on. Your oven temperature wants to be about 200 Celsius, fan assisted. And we'll be baking these for around about 25 minutes, give or take. So these have just come out of the oven, so let's have a look inside and see what it looks like. So you've got the filling in there. Pastry's baked really nice, that looks lovely. So I wonder what this tastes like. Branston sausage roll. This is a new one on me. I've not made this before. I just thought randomly have a go and see what it comes out like. That is lovely. Sausage meat. And the Branston, because it's the miniature chopped up version of Branston, it's a lot better than having like big chunks. These are them like little tiny cubes. I think you know what I'm talking about. I think they call it a sandwich version. It's absolutely scrummy. With that pastry, if you could smell this now, it does smell absolutely delicious. Well, there you go, folks. Once again, another easy sausage roll. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Crazy Baker channel. Laters!